This is a Facebook questions. I have a 5-year-old daughter whose bedroom is currently a blank canvas. Oh, what fun. What advice do you have for someone looking to upgrade their kid's bedroom in a unique and fun way while trying to stay on a budget? Guys, what do you think?
Well, it depends on what that budget is.
Hold on, Rachel. You're asking the wrong person about budgets because
Okay.
my wallet hurts on the daily, okay? So she's going to try.
Okay.
So as I was saying, depending on what your budget is, it can be as simple as paint, giving them a beautiful, bright pop of color. It can be wallpaper, and wallpaper today is not the wallpaper of old, all right? There's some great patterns. And you have peel and stick, so it's very easy for anyone to apply. But I also here's a trick I use often when I'm doing kids' rooms. I like to create a canopy or a tent. Kids love that kind of thing. And you can't replace the look on their face when they walk in the room and say, oh my goodness. and I believe in you. Anybody can really do this. I think we have some pictures of one that I've done recently. And
let's see. Oh,
thank you. And so he wanted a forest theme. That's forest wallpaper on there. It's got little woodland animals, and out of some fabric. That's just canvas fabric I got cut from the fabric store. Dowels, you see them. These are the rods that you can use in closets.
And it's like a giant tent. Yeah.
And I use this hanging on the wall. Here's a little fishing wire so that you don't see what it's hanging from. It looks like it's just floating. But if you like the idea of putting it, hanging it from a rope, you can do that. They have many different colors, patterns of fabric. I mean, really have a go at it. The biggest thing is you want to make sure you're going to have the right hardware to hang. It's really a cool project to do. And honestly, anyone can do this. Just some fabric, a little hardware, and a little rope.
And it's inexpensive, right? Right.
Very inexpensive.
Inexpensive fabric. And as long as you know Mike, and he come over and put the aisles in.
I'm glad you said that, Rachel. I want to point something out with these eye bolts. You don't want to just go putting them in the ceiling because the weight of the fabric can come out. You want to either find a stud above or get screw anchors.
Yeah.
You guys are awesome. You're so much fun.